Hello, my name is Amit and we are learning Python. We are going to discuss the 14th module, that is few more topic in details. So we have a first topic is filter. So take a function and iterable, return only the item where the function evaluate to true. Signature, we have to write like this: filter, then function, after that iterable. So output and iterator often convert into list. So let's see with the example, then we can understand. So let's suppose we have a list number equal to this 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is the list of number. So keep only even numbers. So we have to keep write like the formula like this: even equal to filter, then lambda. This is a function. So function we have to write like x is to x, then this percent sign 2 equal double equal to 0. It means when we divide, let's suppose 10 divided by 2, it's completely divisible. So we get 0 as a reminder and a number. So this number, consider this one. So once we execute this program, we get only the even number, because we have written only even equal to filter lambda x divided by x percent 2, whose reminder should be 0, will be print as an even number. So let's see how we can do that. Just copy this code. So just run this program. Even number, out of this list of number, we get only even number, which is divisible by 2, completely divisible. All right. After that, map function, what it does, so applies a function to every item in an iterable, and signature is map, then function and iterable. So output is an iterator convert to the list if needed. So let's see with the example. So we have a list 1 2 3 4 5. After the square map, then lambda x is to x into 2, and number, which number? This number. So once we write this code, it will make the square of this number. Let's see. It's same as a this one, filter. Let's copy this program and then so number, we have list of number, then square equal to map lambda function x is to x into 2, and number, this number. We have to do this function with this number, and this number is this one. So let's run the program. So 1 2 3 4 5, square of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 5 6 is, so this is the square of number. After that, so reduce. So third topic is reduce. What it does, applies a rolling computation to sequential pair in a iterable, imported from function tool, import reduce. Signature is reduce, then function iterable, same like map and filter. So we have from function tool import reduce. We have to import the reduce library, then number, this is the number, sum of all numbers. So once we use this reduce and this functions, it will automatically add the entire number. So let's see by running this code. Okay, from function import reduce library. After that, this is the number, list of number we have. After that, we have to do the summation of this list of number. Use reduce function, then lambda x comma y, then x plus y. which number? This number, the list of this number, and print total. So let's see here, the sum of these number are 15. How? 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. So this is a reduce function. Then same second example for reduce. The product of the number, nothing, we have to just simply change this. From function import reduce number. This is the list of number. After that product, here we did summation, but here we are going to do product of the number. Just make a list, and if you want to do the product of this number, we have to use lambda function. So x comma y is to x into y, and which number? This number. So print product. So it will do the summation. So 5 into 4, that is 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 120, 120 into 1, it's 120. Let's run this. Here 120. Perfect. After that, decorator. What they are? Function that modify the behavior of another function without permanently changing it. It means function that modify the behavior of another function without permanently change it. Common use case: logging, authentication, catching, timing, etc. So syntax is at the rate decorator underscore name. Let's see with the example. So define my decorator function, then define wrapper, then print before the function run, function print after the function run, return wrap. So at the rate my decorator, define say hello, print hello, and say hello. So once we write this say hello, it will print first this one, after that it will print hello, and then again after the functions run. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so see this. By using this my decorator, this decorator functions, this will first of all this will print, after that hello will print, and then this will print. So let's see how we can do that. We have to write here say hello. This is define say hello. If we write say hello, this will print. See, before the function, after this hello, and after the function. If we write something, if we change this like hello world, learning Python, and again if you print, see, before running this decorator, this will print first, then this will print hello world learning Python, after that this will print. So function that modify behavior of another function without permanently changing. Okay, just check with the real life example of this decorator functions, then we can understand more use of these things. So define log decorator functions, define wrapper args, then k args, print f functions dot name started, then result equal to functions r, then print f functions, then return result, return wrapper, at the rate log, add decorator, then define process underscore payment amount, print f processing payment amount. So if we print like this, let's see the result. See, process the payment. So it will print a start. After that, process the payment. Once the process of payment completed, then this will finish the finish the finish it. Let's see here. Functions process payment started. Once the transaction completed, the processing amount is 500. Then functions process amount finished. Functions process amount finished. Process payment here. Process payment started. Then processing payment of 500. After that, this one, the process payment finished. So this way we can show the transactions whenever somebody do the transactions. Then for agent set, what it is, like a normal set but immutable, cannot be changed. So in a set we can change it, but here we cannot change it. Why? Useful. Can be used as a dictionary key or stored inside other set. So normal set equal to set 1 2 3. Then for agent set is, this is a normal set and this is a for agent set. So for agent set 1 2 3 and normal set is 1 2 3. After I print normal set, print for agent set. So let's see. See, first is print the normal set, then for agent set. Here first this is a normal set and this is a for agent set. Okay, now so for agent set is immutable and set is mutable. So let's try something. I just simply print here append normal set add normal set dot add. Let's suppose I want to add 4 and in for agent set, just try again, same thing. Here again I try this. Let's run this program. See this, for normal set it's included 4 here by using this add function, but for agent set it doesn't work, it's so error. So this for agent set is immutable. If I want to remove, Control C and paste here, so it will add 4 and remove 2 from the normal set. If I try here, see this, let me try this. See, for normal set it's remove 2, add 4, that is working, but for agent set it doesn't add, it doesn't remove, it simply show the error. So the foreign set is immutable. It will show error. Foreign set is immutable. Yes. So example, normal set is this, then print foreign set. That's fine. We have done this. Collection module. So after that, the collection module. Python collection provide a specialized data structure beyond list, tuple, and dictionary. Some keys one are first counter. So count haseable object. How we can do that? From collection import counter library, then word. These are the words apple, banana, apple, orange, banana, apple. So there is a repetitive word like apple here, one, two, three times. Banana one, two, orange is one time. So print counter words. If we use this one, it will make the set like this. So apple is used three times, one, two, and three, and banana is using two times, one and two. So it will say two, and orange is one time here, one. So let's run this code, then we can understand it. When I use this import counter, then first of all, from collection import counter, collection module. Under the collection module, we have so many things. So we are from collection import counter. After that, these are the like a list of words. Once we use this print counter word, it will make the set a group. Let's see this. See, apple three times, banana two times, orange one time. So it make a group. After that, default dict. From collection import default dict employee. This is the list of employee, and uh, they have some kind of department, like John is under the HR department, Alice is under the IT department, Bob is under the finance department, and Carol is under the IT department, and David is HR. So this is the list of employee, and there is some particular department. So once we use this, it will gather the candidates belong to the whatever the department they are, like John is belong to the HR and David is belong to the HR. So they will combine both John and David. Let's see how. So department employee equal to default dict list. This is a list of for name dipped in employee. Okay. So dipped underscore employee department dot append name if depend missing default creator. Okay. So print department dot underscore employee. Here department employee, we have make this department underscore employee equal to default dict list. After that we are using department underscore employee dipt dot append name. See, when I run this code, see HR John and David here. HR we have a John and David, then IT Alice and Carol, then finance Bob. So this way it's create a list, group of list. Under one group it's a list of two candidates. Under the IT group, it's a two candidate like this. So by using this default dict, we can use this. After that, named tuple. From the collection, import named tuple. Define a named tuple for employee. So employee equal to name tuple employee name position salary. There is an employee then name and position and salary. So first name, then positions, and then salary. So create employee record. So, employee 1, employee 2, employee name is Amit and position is manager and salary is 85. Similarly, Nusrat, then developer, then 60,000. So there is two employee and first name, then position, and then salary. Now access field by name. So print employee 1 dot name, employee 1 dot position, employee dot salary. Here print employee 2 dot name, employee dot salary. But we don't want position of the second employee. So see how it's works. So we have two employee and under this details we have name first, after that positions and then salary. So it can, I want to print only the name and positions of the first employee, name, position, salary, and for second employee I want name and salary only. So let's run this here. So it's print only the name, positions and employee. For second employee only name and salary. If I change this, I don't want salary of the second employee. Just remove this and run this. Here the name and the positions, here name and the salary. This way we can use this named tuple. After that, deep. So double indent q, dq. So double indent q, fast append pop from both ends. So by using this dq, we can add something from both end of the list. How we can do that? Let's see. From collection, import dq and dq equal to dq123 and dq dot append 0, dq dot append 4. Here dq append left, from left it's add 0 and dq appends, if you write simply this way, it will add from the end and print dq. So let's see. See, from collection import dq, after that dq equal to this is the list. After that I want to add 0 at the beginning, so use left and simple append can add from the tail. Let's run this. See this. This is 1 to 3 list. After that we add 0 at the beginning and 4 at the end using this dq functions, dq library. So this is what we are going to learn in this module about these topics, module 14, and that's it. Thank you.